So I've been using the Google Pixel tablet for the last week, and I gotta say the thing is awesome. I think it's a great alternative to an iPad, especially with the speaker attachment, which I'm gonna show you guys here shortly. Now, as far as the Pixel tablet replacing a laptop, I don't think that's going to happen. There's really three things the Pixel tablet's good for. And the first is that when you have this speaker attachment with it, you can actually prop it up on your countertop, your nightstand, your desk, and that's kind of how I've been using it. The way I've been using this is I've got it set up on my kitchen countertop. And, I check my emails with it, social media accounts, and then, of course, second, this is going to be great for listening to music, watching video. And then last, it's great for gaming because it's got that big display on it. Now, the display size on this thing is 10.9 inches. It's an LCD. You can see here the speaker attachment is magnetized, so it just attaches to the back of the tablet. It's really cool. Now, as far as the build on this tablet, it's aluminum. Glass front, and then of course it's selling for $500. And I think the comparison here is that, if you're wondering if this can replace your laptop, it's because when you start to spend around $500 on a tablet, you're kind of getting into the laptop, trajectory, I guess, because you could get a laptop, like a cheap one, for around $500. And then obviously if you spend like $750 to $1,000, the laptops get better. But that's really what this is good for, guys. It is cool. I do think it's worth buying. The next thing I want to do here is kind of just go over how this sounds with the speaker attachment, running some video because it's awesome. And then I'm going to do some gaming with it as well because it's great for that too. Of course, if you want to learn more about this, you can check out our full detailed review directly below in the description. You can also get on our tech newsletter. We send out one email a week. For now, let's run it.
You gotta take the oath. I promise to do everything in my power to protect this city. I promise.
Whoa. Qué guapo.
Gracias, mami.
Guys, I wanted to thank you, both of you.
You need to lay low. Don't trust anybody, and don't take off that mask.
This message is from Roxxon. The underground will stop it.
They need you. Miles, what's the underground doing?
They're after Newform. Tinkerer, stop!
Gotta say, I'm disappointed, bud. Krieger.
You think you can beat the Tinkerer? Roxxon, you can't.
Every time I think I got this Spider-Man thing figured out, something goes wrong.
Miles, our family doesn't give up.
Whenever you say Spider-Man, you always mean the other one. You're Spider-Man.
Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.
When in doubt, follow my lead.
Russians have been nosing around a ship recycling facility in Along, India, and now one of our subs is tracking a substantial Russian naval force converging on it. We don't know exactly what they want, but they aren't going to get it. You're being deployed to secure the facility. Coordinate with other task forces on site. Command out. securing more sectors. Bravo 1 is now our target. We now have Sector Delta under our control.
We control more sectors than the enemy, but this battle is far from over.
Just lost Sector Alpha to the enemy. Russians are attacking one of our objectives. Sector Bravo just fell to the enemy. Timetables off. We need to secure more territory. Delta 1 under attack by hostiles. We control the majority of sectors. Good job, Nopads.